How are you thinking about AI?
I think it's an amazing tool, like content creation, SEO. It's going to change a lot of things. Also, producing OMs, you know, anything text related. I think it's amazing. Performance management, I think, is really good. You can have an AI bot in the email inbox of every single one of your people. You can measure response times. You can see when customers are unhappy. You can parachute in and save deals. We're using that across a lot of our companies. But the AI agents, spoken AI agents, I think are a total absolute joke. It's laughable. And the people trying to sell it and talk about it are losing all of my respect.
I think, I agree with you. I think agentic AI is going to be the future. It's something that I think about just because of the business that I'm in terms of I'm a conduit, right? I'm the middle person between a deal getting done. Like if I was a storage broker and I was able to find a deal, I have to then communicate that deal to you for Bolt to buy. And so if you can do that at scale, or prospect at scale, or build relationships at scale and trust at scale, which is, again, the ultimate goal of a broker, is to build relationships. There's AI implementation of that, I think, turns a single broker into 10 brokers or 100 brokers, which is super interesting to me, especially from Somewhere perspective, because then you're
one of the most fascinating things that I didn't see happening at Somewhere is that we have a kind of an AI training module where if you just hire somebody, if you hire an executive assistant, a salesperson, whatever, you have the option to put them through a 10-day training. And a lot of that's AI, how to use the right AI tools, how to get the tech stack ready. And the demand for that after hire has skyrocketed. So yeah, is AI going to replace a bunch of employees? I mean, maybe. You tell me. I'm following very closely, but I think before that, it'll make employees more efficient. And it's the lawnmower. When the lawnmower came around, they said lawn care companies were going to go out of business. It's not true. More and more people are paying. More people are paying for their lawn to get cut than ever, and the lawn mowing companies are using the lawnmowers.
I love like roofing companies, plumbing companies. I think those service-based businesses, they're run by fantastic people, but fantastic people who've built the business 40 years ago. And they're maybe not open or thinking about what using some of these tools can do from an efficiency and actual growth perspective. So the person who can crack the service-based businesses where an AI can't fix your, pipes in your plumbing, right? I think that's going to be like an incredible business if you can whoever figures that out.
Yeah. The most visited page on my website at Sweaty Startup is a list of 200 plus business ideas just like this, like plumbing, move something, clean something, repair something, build something is basically what this list is. It's at sweatystartup.com/ideas if people want to look at it while we're talking. Yeah. But the interesting thing about this stuff is that people think like they have this plan of just, hey, I'm going to buy a business, a Sweaty Startup. I'm going to buy a business, or I'm going to start a business, and I'm just going to use digital marketing, and I'm going to use AI tools, and I'm going to use all the things that the old operator doesn't use. And let me just warn folks that these old boomers know how to run businesses a little better than you think.
They are savages, man. They're savages. They grew up in a different era, and they will take your lunch money, man. It's very hard to beat someone who's done something for a very long time. If you can expect yourself to come in and beat someone who has spent their life trying to be really good at something, like,
and you got to built an amazing business with a fax machine, imagine how good at sales, relationship management, leadership, communication. Imagine how good they are as an operator in other areas.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.